How's it going, everybody? This is Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, coming to you with another episode of Tiny Home Tuesday, where every Tuesday we showcase a particular park model. This week, you have the pleasure of viewing the Elite Tejas, and that is Spanish for Texas, for those who didn't know. What makes the Elite Tejas so great is, as you can see, we're on the porch right now, the deck of this home, and you see we got the nice stone inlay wood burning fireplace. You got cedar trim going around, a nice TV jack above that. This is the gathering spot for if you own your land property, you own your lake lot, this is the spot everybody's going to be at. Guys, this is the focal point. But it doesn't stop there, guys. We got hardy exterior with the cedar stained trim that really sets this look off. And guys, we got the stained southern yellow pine roof as well on the interior with the recessed lights with the ceiling fan. We got the nice Trek decking on the porch. This will be in a landfill 200 years from now looking exactly like this. No maintenance, guys. We're keeping it minimal, keeping it tiny. And follow me right this way and you'll see on the deck that we actually have a dual entry. One right here into the living area and also right into the master. You guys follow me inside. And guys, now we are inside of the Tejas. And you see the fun doesn't stop here, because look around and you'll see right here that you got a nice insert right here in your living area for the entertainment center. Has a nice HD laminate countertop with that gloss feel with a nice accent with a wood feature behind that, guys. It is perfect for you. You got these nice windows bringing in the natural light into your living area, and right above you got the nice huge prismatic window, guys. Perfect for this home. Now look right back over here and it flows right into your kitchen. Right here into your rounded stainless steel sink where you got the nice faucet right here with the extension for your pleasure. Nice window right above, bringing in that natural light. And look at these tall cabinets, guys. Nice wood, tall cabinets. Look at all this space you got in there. Enough space to put everything that you need. Complements this nice shiplap backsplash. And you got your stainless steel appliances, smooth top stove, nice microwave right above. And I like it because you also have enough space to put a dining room table. You put a nice bistro, whatever you like right here, and not sacrifice any room in this home. And guys, you got the nice stainless steel refrigerator right here to the side, and still tons of storage space right here for your pleasure. And look, we've got the spot for your stackable washer and dryer right here as well. And what I like about it, guys, is this master bath. You see this bathroom right here, and you'll notice the ceiling is raised, it's elevated, so you don't feel claustrophobic in here, guys. We're bringing it up for you. Look at this shower. You got the nice inlay right here for your soaps and your shampoos, all your herbal essence needs. You got everything you need right here. Nice faucet right there, sliding glass for your privacy. And guys, you follow me right through here and I'll show you the master. Go right in here and you'll see that you got, first of all, a nice shiplap accent. You got the nice doors right here, the sliding doors for your convenience, for your closet. And you got a large built-in dresser. So you got enough space for all your clothes, everything that you need. You got a separate AC and heat unit in here from the main area, so you can kind of heat and cool this one at your pleasure. And then also, what I like is we've also brought another feature with an extra storage space. You have room right there to do anything that you like. Have a little hideaway spot, great hide and seek spot if you need it, and close it right back up. You can also put some kitty litter in there and have a little cat spot where you go in there, kind of out of sight, out of mind. And also, you got, like I was talking about earlier, the exit or entry to the outside deck. So you guys follow me right this way. And you got the loft. So you'll see right here, the nice large stairs right here going up to the loft space. And you guys look as well that you'll see this is actually closed off. It is private right here, guys. So this, if you have any teenagers, any kids, they do get that privacy in a tiny home. So you guys follow me up there and check it out. All right, guys, now we're in the loft of the Tejas. You'll see first thing off the bat that we got a elevated loft area right here on the side, designated for you to put a mattress. So you got a nice sleeping spot right up here, and that is a result of the raised ceiling in the bathroom downstairs. So that's a great option to add. You got tons of space right through here that you can have an area to relax, sit down and enjoy yourself in privacy. You got windows on each side, recessed can lights going throughout, just to make it feel nice and cozy. And I just want to thank you guys for tuning in to another Tiny Home Tuesday with me, Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, while we view this elite Tejas. And guys, call me, ask about the Tejas, and ask how you can get a little bit of Tejas where you're at. And guys, thank you so much. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for tuning in to another episode.